Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's simple and delicious recipe is sweet chili marinated chicken thighs. We're going to cook those on the barbecue. These are just packed with intense flavors. You're going to love them. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to put together an outstanding yogurt-based dipping sauce. We'll start out with a half a cup of Greek yogurt and then a half a teaspoon of each garlic powder and onion powder. Now Sriracha Seasoning. This stuff packs a punch, so go easy on it. All I'm going to add is a half a teaspoon of it. Alternatively, you can use Sriracha sauce as well. Next we'll add is a tablespoon of honey and a teaspoon of lime juice. And then a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Stir the yogurt sauce thoroughly, cover it, and place it in the fridge until it's time to dip our barbecued sweet chili chicken thighs in it. Now for the marinade for our chicken. All these ingredients are common at the grocery store. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of sweet red chili sauce, and then 2 teaspoons of roasted red chili paste, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, and then the juice of a half of a lime. Mix well. Now marinate your chicken for a minimum of 2 hours. Personally, I like to marinate it overnight. It just creates some intense flavors for the chicken. Simply cover it with some saran wrap and then we'll get it into the fridge. Before we get the chicken on the barbecue, just place it on a paper towel and give it a pat dry. I'm using a propane grill. I've set my heat to medium to a high heat. Now these are our organic chicken thighs, so typically they're a little bit thinner than some chicken thighs you can find in the grocery store. So they're only going to take about 5 minutes on this side. It's been 5 minutes. We'll give them a flip, and then we're going to set our timer for 4 minutes. A quick read thermometer is a handy tool to have. Once you get the hang of it, you'll know you can take it off about 5 degrees early, and as it rests, cover it, and it will rise up to your 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to plate it up. Look how moist that chicken looks. I'm going to serve it up with some basmati rice, some asparagus, and a little dollop of our lovely yogurt dipping sauce. Oh my, that looks delicious. Well, how's that for simple? Don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Hit the red subscribe button and you'll get notified. Well, this just looks like an amazing dinner. Let's give it a whirl. Chicken. So moist and tender. Let's give it a little dip into our sauce. Oh, wow. Packed with flavors. The ginger, the garlic, the lime. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do.